All right, welcome to your next meal plan. This is meal plan 1.2 or your custom food list. Now, remember your first meal plan, we gave you kind of a list of things to have with the vegetables, carbs, protein, and fats, and things to avoid. This time, what we want you to do is we want you to fill in the veggies, protein, the carbs, and the fats, things that you personally enjoy. So we're going to customize this list. As you go down to the second page, there's a long list of things to choose from. And what I want you to do is I want you to pick your top 5 vegetables, your top 5 protein, your top 5 fat, your top 5 carbs, all right? Now, if you're in the weight loss phase, I would recommend to just keep the fats to a minimum or even don't add any fats. That'll be the fastest way for you to lose weight. And once you lose all the weight, we're gonna reintegrate some of the fats back in. So vegetables, you're gonna pick your top 5. If you have more than 5 or less than 5, that's fine. The main purpose of this is to have everything customized for you. And the simpler the list, the better the execution. So what I want you to do is I want you to fill this out, your top 5 veggies, protein, and carbs. I want you to print that out, put it on your fridge, take a picture, and then send it to us or send it to your trainer. And then the meals are going to be exactly the same. You're going to have 1 serving of vegetables, 1 serving of protein, 1 serving of carbs. Dinner, try to avoid the carbs at night. All right? So that's pretty much it. Meal plan 1.2.